Should I shoot this video? Or should I not? Why not? It's in the moment. Might as well. How's everybody doing? So, scenery woes. I think that if I reflect back, I had blocks on every section. And I think that everyone that participates in this hobby is going to experience what I'm describing. There's going to be times in this hobby where you feel like you just have like your confidence is high. There's nothing that you can't do. You get on a roll, especially when you plug in like several hours like into something, like in this case scenery. You just, at first it feels really awkward. Like this feels awkward to me. Like I've been away from this for a little bit, and I worked on this several days ago or whatever, and I look at it now and go, okay, so what did I do here? Oh, right. Where am I going with this? Oh, yeah. And then it's like right now, I'm having a tough time trying to plug back in. Now, I know from experience, like life experience, that these moments come to everyone in the workplace, in relationships, and whatever you do. Like you're going to have days or moments that are just not blissful. I mean, for the most part, this hobby is so awesome. However, you're going to have times when you're actually modeling, when you're modeling a railroad, not just plugging in ready to run components right and left, but when you're actually creating stuff and trying to express your signature scene on your railroad, that you're just going to be completely blocked. Like you're going to just one day wake up and go, like, I don't know where I'm going with this. Now, here's the thing. So right now, I don't want to do this, but I think I'm going to press in, because I know that after about 10 or 15 minutes, I'm going to start feeling it again. If I don't just go on my sort of like emotions or feelings right now, I know that if I just start doing things, that I'll get over it. I'll just give you an example in closing here. So I made these sisal bushes. I'm quite happy with them. I've used a lot of these on the layout. Okay, if you're wondering how I made these, if you look on the home page in the middle search bar, not the one at the top, but there's one right beside posts, and you just type sisal bushes, like on my channel, like they'll come up. And I think I did 2 or 3, so it's quite comprehensive and explain exactly how I do them. They're not really difficult to make, although like they are, like it takes a while to produce like a batch. But when you do produce a batch like this, you're pretty happy about it, because now you have them and you can start creatively putting them in place and fleshing out your scene. But here's the problem right now. Number one is I couldn't find I don't have the flock that I really liked, which is okay because you can mix the colors and airbrush them. The second thing that's bugging me is these are a little bit too dark. I mean, they're okay. Like I was planning on using them more in the mid-ground. Like they are good enough to use up front, I think. But I don't like the color. There's something about them. Like I do, but I don't know, they're too green, dark green or something. I'm not really sure yet. I mean, they would work if I was just to, use them as a background border. And then figure out in here, because there will be trees back here as well, but I don't know. I thought it would be easier. I really did. I thought maybe there's layers here that I need to do first before I start thinking about those. Like maybe I'm jumping too far ahead. I don't know. Anyway, I'll just tell you this. Like I have been working on some trees. And these trees are, I don't know if most of you know, but I used to have some trees in the foreground down by section 1 and 2. I took them out, and then I was looking at a video the other day and I thought, wow, those look really cool there, like those big tall trees in scale, as a kind of gateway block, and makes the layout feel actually larger when you have those kind of bookends or dividers. So that's what these are for. I'm going to be putting these back because somebody mentioned, like a comment was posted not too long ago, said, where do those trees go? I thought they looked cool, and I think I might have taken them out and pushed them back to fill some holes on the layout on section 2. So that's what I'm doing with these. I've been building those. And this old tree, like this is going to be like an old oak tree that I'm going to have that's going to kind of cradle the barn. There's going to be a barn here and a water tower. Maybe I need to do that. Maybe I need to stage some components here, and it'll get my mojo back, okay? But in the meantime, I'm going to go get a coffee. Cheers, happy modeling, and I hope you have a great day.